Hello. Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words rip and reap. Let's look at each one individually. Rip is primarily used as a verb meaning to tear something apart or to separate it forcefully. It can also refer to the act of cutting something. For example, be careful not to rip your shirt on the sharp edge. He ripped open the package to see what was inside. Reap is a verb that means to harvest or gather a crop. It can also be used metaphorically to refer to receiving a reward or consequence for one's actions. For example, farmers reap the wheat in late summer. You will reap the benefits of your hard work. To summarize, rip, to tear or cut something, verb. Reap, to harvest crops or receive rewards, verb. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.